bây giờ sửa đời nó nói là vấn thi xa lúc có lên tôi cho sẽ có chưa nè bé tớ sợ kể tớ một sẽ lần nó bé cho bỏ xí nhỏ này rồi lấy là cầu rồi là lúc rồi nó sống không nè nhỏ để cần cầu cho toàn trong lo nó thế giờ bấm mà lên từ nâng cầu từ km thế nè chỉ ta xin nó bé tôi cho là có cho lại chế là cố tình cái bé tôi đây to ý sống mong tạo phải đèn của tòa chỉ đồ nông nè chỉ ta xin nói bé tôi muốn cho là có trâu nè một trâu đã Liya là cầu nè nó nói bé sợ kế tôi lên mình chỉ tới rồi chân đánh xe là từ làm một chế bé mà tôi muốn chắp bỏ nè giờ thay mình chỉ họ bé tôi mình chỉ kể nó nên sai sai giờ trong lấy trả lời. Excuse me, what is your name?
My name is Noah.
Noah.
Yep.
How long have you been to Laos?
About 5 months.
5 months. And what do you do in Laos?
I'm a volunteer English teacher.
Oh, so where is your teaching?
So we teach at different government ministries in Laos. So the Department of Education and Lao Front for National Development, things like that.
So who take the Hmong clothes for you?
So we have some friends over here, and she's actually Hmong, so she helped us with these clothes.
Oh, I think you married with Hmong girl?
I don't know, I'm still 19, I'm kind of young, but...
You're 19?
Yep.
Oh, but you're too young.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So how long will you stay for next?
I'll stay about another 3 months, and then I'll go back to America.
Oh, you just volunteer, right?
Yep, just a volunteer time, yeah.
And what do you do in your country?
When I go back to America, I'll just go to college, go to university, and study.
Oh, so now you graduate in high school?
Yep.
And how many people come to with you in here?
So we've got 4 volunteers with us, 4 young volunteers that are about the same age. We graduated high school and come to volunteer, come help out and teach English.
Mm-hmm. And how do you surprise when you wear the Hmong clothes?
It's really fun to be here and see the culture of the Hmong people. I know there's a lot of Hmong people in America as well, so it's cool to see the culture in Laos and in America too.
And do you think is the Hmong in Laos and in the US is the same or different? How different?
I don't know very many Hmong people in the United States, but I would assume that it's pretty similar.
It's similar. And this is the first time you wear Hmong clothes, or for second time or many times?
So this is the first time I've ever worn Hmong clothes.
Oh yeah. You look like Hmong, but you are too tall.
Yeah.
You're 19, but you're too tall and bigger than me.
Yeah.
So, all this is just your friend?
Yep. So these are the 4 young white guys who are volunteers, and then these ladies are our friends, and then this older couple, they are kind of our managers here as well.
So that's good. This is the first time you came to join Hmong New Year here, or?
Yep, this is the first time that we've come here to see a Hmong New Year.
And will you come again tomorrow?
Probably not, no.
Just today?
Just today, yep.
And how do you think about the Hmong people in Laos, and how do you think that their personality and what they look like? Can you describe about it? Something?
I think Hmong people are really cool. I think they very nice people. I think their culture is cool, and they've got cool clothes and very humble and nice people.
Yes. So thank you. And can you speak some Hmong words?
nrog.
Nrog, and then?
That's it. I don't know anything.
Okay. So, for example, you love or you like some girl. How do you say in Hmong for her?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. Just I love you. Right.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you. I hope you enjoy Hmong New Year and happiness with enjoy us with the Hmong New Year.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah. So I want to.
Yeah.
Excuse me. What is your name?
My name is Boston.
Boston. Where you come from?
I come from America.
What part of the city?
The state is Arkansas.
Oh, it's in the north or in the south?
It's in the south.
Oh, in the south.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
I'm 19.
19.
Yes.
Oh, you're too young.
Yeah.
But you're taller than me.
Yeah, I'm a little bit taller.
Yeah. And you're too big.
Yeah, I mean tuaj.
And what do you do in Laos?
Right now I'm teaching English, like my friend.
Teaching at the Ministry of Foreign.
Yeah.
How long will you stay here?
I'm just gonna stay here for about a year.
And when will you back to America?
I'll go back in the middle of next year,
Oh, next year.
about 6 more months.
And how do you surprise when you wear the Hmong clothes and you come to join Hmong New Year today? How do you think about it?
Well, I really like Hmong, the culture, and it's really fun to kind of do all the games and see all of the bullfights. It's very fun to just get to know Hmong people more.
So, how do you think when you wear the Hmong clothes and how do you surprise? You happy or you so excited?
I like how much it jingles. It has like a lot of sounds in it. I really like it. Yeah, it's really beautiful. It's very different from other things.
Did you wear before or just this is the first time for you wear Hmong clothes?
This is my first time. So yeah.
So who buy for you?
So our friends, they got it for us. Our friends are Hmong people, and so they had it already. They gave it to us.
Give you try to do that.
Yeah, they had to get a really big one for me because they don't have this size very
It's a big size. Maybe I cannot use.
Yeah, it's pretty big, but it's awesome.
So how do you describe and how do you say to American people in the US? Today you come to join Hmong New Year, and you're very happy. That can you describe about it for American people?
Sure. Yeah, a lot of American people don't really know Hmong very well, and so I think it's very good idea to like share this Hmong culture with everyone so everyone can know about it. And it's very fun, and I'm just glad that I got to do it, and I'm going to tell my family about it.
And I think maybe you can see Hmong people in America too.
Yeah, I've heard there's a few people in like Minnesota or like California, but
So did you enjoy the Hmong New Year over there too?
no, this is my first time doing Hmong
The
New
first
Year.
time, yeah. You can learn and see how Hmong culture and Hmong people look like.
Yeah, it's going to be fun to see the differences.
So, thank you. I hope you're happy for the Hmong New Year
All right.
and happiness, successful. Enjoy us, happy.
All right, I hope you have a good Hmong New Year too.
Thank you.
Nha zhong shong xie.
Nhớ rong xiong chia.
Yeah, all right. Nice to
Okay,
meet
thank you.
You too.
Excuse me, what is your name?
My name is Chandler.
Chandler.
Yes.
How long have you been to Laos?
I have been in Laos for 5 months.
5 months. And how do you surprise when you wear the Hmong clothes?
Feel good.
How do you surprise when you wear Hmong clothes? How do you think?
I think it's good.
It's good. Who bought for you?
It's one of my friends.
Your friend? And it's very good and suitable for you.
Huh. Yes.
Yeah, and you're too big and quite. Maybe you should get married with a born girl. And when will you go back to the US?
I will go back in May.
May?
Yes.
This year?
Next year.
Or 2020?
Yes.
How many people come to with you enjoy the Hmong New Year here?
There are 9 of us.
9 people? You are a big family or friend?
Friends.
That's good. And finally, how do you say to the American people? And today you come to join the Hmong New Year. And how do you know about Hmong people?
I've been in Laos for a while, and I have a couple of friends that are Hmong, so I know some Hmong people.
So you can say you speak some Hmong word?
No.
No? Can you say? That's Hmong word you can say.
A little bit.
Yes. And how do you say hello in Hmong language?
Nha zhong.
Oh, okay, that's good. American people also speak Hmong language well as Hmong. Yes. Okay, finally, I hope you enjoy Hmong New Year and hopefully happiness.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, what is your name and where you come from?
I'm Sue.
Soon.
Koalas.
Where you come from?
Oh, I come from Utah in the United States.
Oh, America.
Yes.
What kind of part did you come from?
What kind of what?
What part of the United States you come from?
I come from the state of Utah.
In the southern or northern?
No, it's in the west.
In the west. That's good.
Yeah.
And how long have you been here?
We've been in Laos 9 months.
9 months? How long will you stay for next?
We're staying here for 2 years.
2 years. And what do you do in Laos?
We are doing humanitarian work.
So how many people come to you to try the Hmong New Year today?
These are my friends.
Your friend?
Yeah.
Big friend with your husband?
That's my husband. That's my husband right there. Yeah, and then these
that
are
guy
my friends.
Is your son or no?
No, he's just my friend.
Your friend?
Yeah, my friend.
So how do you supply? Today you wear the Hmong clothes?
My friend Dar. This is my friend Dar.
Your friend?
This is Dar. And she helped us get dressed in our Hmong dress today.
So how do you take this clothes for her?
I find my clothes and my cousin clothes and give for them.
And what are you doing in here?
In here,
Yeah.
we just throw a ball and just have lunch and walk around here and take some picture.
And what do you work at your company or your job?
I'm just student.
Student?
Yeah.
Where do you study?
I'm study at Banking Institute.
What year are you?
I'm year 2.
Year 2. So that's great. How do you know her?
I know her because I'm go to a church and I know them.
Oh, that's good. So you can practice your English.
Yeah, I practice with them a lot.
So you are fluently English speaker.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you supply Hmong New Year this year? Can you find some Hmong girl or some honey?
Not yet. I'm just take them to travel around here and just walk around and see many people here.
And do you need any husband this year?
I don't think so because I'm still studying and I focus on my study first.
That's good idea. So I have some friend that needs to be a friend with you on the social media. Could you tell me about your Facebook name and your telephone number? Is it available?
My phone number, maybe they cannot connect because I use an internet number, but my Facebook is like SPSFAV.
And you put your picture on the profile.
Yeah.
So that's good. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.